Hello everyone, this is Yang Jen, and I made an app called Film Mode, and now I'm going to present you my work and what is it for. So the concept is that the film photography uh, has a long history, and in recent years, when digital photography came out, it has become more and more important. However, film photography has digital can never replace it, the film photography, the position, because it has something magical in the way we shoot films and in the way it presents. So I want to create an app that, in a more convenient way, to shoot film and to exchange experience and to meet new friends and share your works and view others people's work and using this app. And because in traditional ways film photography can be a little bit complicated and inconvenient, so I want to make this app and make the whole thing that is more enjoyable and have more fun, keep shooting film, and so that we can keep on this tradition. So this is what I want. Okay, let's get into it. So at first, if you open the app, you'll show this page will appear. Just keep click, and here is the home page. In the home page, we can see that there are new articles you can check out, and the recommended film. It will remember what kind of film you like, and you can click on it to view them, to see them, and I'll talk about it later. And you can see your friends' new posts. Okay, and then from here you can see a slide menu. Click that, and you'll see a lot of options. At first, we check out the film, finding film page, and for example, let's check out Kodak film. Okay, we click on Kodak film, and here is the finding film page, and here we have a lot of different kinds of film, and it varies. There are colors and black and whites and different ISOs. So here is a very convenient tool. It's filter. I built it up so we can click on like from 200. So here are the film from 200 all the way to 3200, and you can click it to get back. We can click 200 and 400, so the film between 200 and 400 will show up here, and we can click black and white to see. Okay, so there are only two films that is black and white, and ISOs between 200 and 400. So let's check it out, the legendary Kodak Tri-X 400. Okay, here is the film page, and we can check out the history of this, and there's an introduction, tell you a little bit about this film. We check out the history, how it came, and then we can see the characteristics, and there are photos that shows this what is this film about, what does it looks like, and then in below here in this section we can buy films. So it's this app is kind of cool that no not only helps you understand and help you know the what kind of film you like, and what does the film looks like when it after it processed, after you shoot it. You can also buy films here. So let's buy this one, 135, add to chart. In this place, this slide, chart slide will show up, and you can see that I've already got the developer here. Okay, so let's add that, and we can view others' work. Like this is my work with Tri-X. Let's click on it, and you can view it. This is what I post. before, yeah, and people can comment on my work. Okay, let's get back. We can see a few others work, and we have discussed areas that you can talk about whether you like the film or you don't like it. Like this one, this guy just compare it to another film, HP5. Okay, in the section below, we will see that you may also be interested in this film because these are a little bit related to this Tri-X 400. This one kind of looks like this one is kind of like the same ISO but in a different grain. Okay, so here you can see a compare films button. You also can click it here to find this button here. This is a page that I built up, is quite useful. You can compare films and you can select films. Like now I may compare Ilford HP5 with Kodak Tri-X 400. So let's click, because there are so many brands here, so let's just click Ilford Kodak, and let's click on Ilford, so it will show that Ilford's film and also Kodak's film, and we maybe click on black and white. Okay, so now it's only black and white films that Kodak and Ilford provides. Let's click on Tri-X and HP5 Plus. Compare. In this page, compare films page, we can see the same lens, same camera using different films, and we can compare the grain, compare the contrast. Is quite useful to compare side by side with the same contents of the pictures. And so I think this page is a very good tool for you to understand more about any kinds of film. Okay, and now in below you can discuss whether you like the film, which film better, or you like the other one better. Okay, so now let's get to another page. Okay, the chemistry is kind of the same as film. You can buy chemistry, and you can see different kinds of chemistry: developer, stop bed, what it is for, and what's the history, and what's the difference between them. So let's just jump it to the service part. Okay, so here's the film processing. So we want to make people know different films. We also want people we also provide several different services like film processing, so that you don't have to go every time to find the place to go there and process. You can just send your film there and we can process for you. So it's kind of convenient. It's very convenient actually. Also, we have a camera repair service. Okay, so here, since we bought black and white films, so maybe we develop and scan in black and white, so add it to cart. Okay, so it automatically added it here. And in this section, you can also view cart here. So here's the cart, and you can organize it, and you can choose what kinds of shipping you prefer, and you can check out here. So that's just don't need to explain here. Okay, let's see what else do we got. We got articles. Click on our article section if you want to know more about the knowledge of film. See, there are a lot of people can share their thoughts about films here and post articles. It's quite useful. Also, we got a gallery. Click on gallery, in here people can share their work with the film they like to use, and they just tag the film they use, and they automatically jump into this section, and you can see uh, what this film actually looks like, and you can get into it more. So not just read the words, you can actually see how it presents. So it's kind of cool, and you can also share your work here. All right. So now go to the home page, and you'll see that here is user photo. Click on here. The user slide will pop up, and here you also can press the card here, and a lot of stuff's going on here. And the thing that I want to point out is a very good feature is that you click on your gallery, jump into the place you put your photos. So there are followers and followings, and here are pictures I took, and from here, this one is just what I showed you before. I showed it with Tri-X, and people can discuss your work, whether they like it or not, and you'll improve. So this is really an app that not only tell you the knowledge about the film, how it looks, show you and really presents, and also you can share your own works, and makes other uh, we we can improve together, and can share your works, and they can know you better through film photography. So it's kind of cool, and you can see that this film was shot with Tri-X 400. You can also click on that to jump into the page. Okay, so let's just finish it. So that's about it. It's a really cool app, and with a lot of service, and a lot of different um, ways, different features, and all of the features are quite useful. You see new articles. Yeah, so it's really a good app that if I make it up, I think it will be quite useful. So thank you for listening.